The biggest communication problem between the office and the field is that they're two very different types of people. You can spend a lot of time educating the office staff on how to use certain softwares, and then you go see the guys on site and actually it's a whole different working environment. They've got different tools.
In the past, our most important format has been basically a pen and paper. Say 20 people all together trying to mark up one single project is very, very difficult to control.
You know, you might have 3 or 4 different revisions of the same drawing that everybody was using a different one.
Having that real-time information at our fingertips when we need it. It's about people will have stuff that sits on their computers that doesn't get shared with other people.
What we really want are the guys on the site, in the field, who are doing that work to just be able to click a button and say, yep, that's been installed, and for that in real time to be presented back to head office.
For example, Bluebeam Studio has been an enormous help in terms of ensuring that that level of information is always transferred to the people who are on site and who might not necessarily have the opportunity to come back to the office. Everyone's aware, again, what's available by utilising the cloud-based platform.
It allows us to keep track of not only how many items were installed a day, example balconies or what have you, or facade panels, but it also lets us keep track of where they are and, of course, where they are on the job.
Initially, it presented the same tool that we used previously, which is the ability to read PDFs. And then as you start to learn, you suddenly realize that the majority of the other tools that we used in the past, say for example doing markups or doing measurements, Bluebeam was actually capable of providing that in one single package.
If we look at what the biggest influence for change, to actually say why do we need to do this, it's always going to come down to cost, or time, or quality. It's those 3 major things.
It's about driving the efficiency so you can do more with your job and you can deliver more and add more value to the company so they want to keep you.
We're trying to educate people in the value of data and the value of information. We have to make sure not only that we're providing tools to the workforce, but that those tools work.